Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, I have come up with 2 actions for you. The first action I show you is before playing action. Make sure your foreground and background color are set to default. Press D. This will make it black and white. Here is best oil paint Photoshop action. Expand it, active for CC and play it. This action will convert the image into an oil paint after it is played. So this image after converting to oil paint. You will see a group in it called texture. Try it. If you activate this group, the texture will be applied on image. And whatever textures you want to keep. Want to keep this texture or this texture? Those who like the texture can keep the texture. And can check up a group of adjustments. Overall, this will convert the image to oil paint. So let's see what the second action is. Some actions are not appropriate for every image. That is, dimension-wise are not suitable. According to this action, the image has to be redone. This is second abstract sketch Photoshop action. Image has to be ready before clicking Play Me. For this we have to crop the image. We will clear the crop ratio first. In ratio we have to keep its width as 3000. And the height is 2000. And to crop the image. After that we will play action. Before playing the action, check the image for incorrect cropping. Let's undo it. Again crop and adjust the image. And we'll crop here. After cropping we will select the subject. After selecting the subject, create a blank layer. After that we will take any bright color in the foreground. And you have to fill this selection with Paint Bucket tool. We will name this layer Paint. Hide the layer and press Ctrl+D to deselect selection. Now expand this action and activate Play Me. And click on Play Me. After playing it will create and arrange layers. Remember to default to black and white colors before playing the action. Mine is red, so it is making them black after applying the strokes of red. I try on red only. And when this action will be fully played. After completion, stop message will appear, then click on stop. This action will require a special type of brushes. This is brush pack.s brushes. Load me first. It has different types of brushes whose strokes are applied to the image. And it has different types of brushes. As you can see, this brush is like this. And this is the first group. Bottom brushes. Try it. Layer of strokes of brushes in this group. Press Ctrl+J to create duplicate group and convert it to Smart Object. Then press Ctrl+T to transform. Place these strokes anywhere in image or flip them horizontally. You can adjust it as it suits you. This will convert the image into an abstract sketch. And this is the layer on top. Set its blend mode to soft light and opacity to 50%. The image will be clearer. And thus the image will be converted into abstract art. So the layer we created by creating a duplicate group. And we converted to Smart Object. You may want to adjust it by enlarging. So it will give an abstract art effect on the image in this way. The download link of both actions is in the description. You can download from there. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.